Jackie, 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 Jackie. Everybody's favorite auntie, Auntie Jackie Aina.
It's Lisa, it's Lisa, it's Lisa, Danielle. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and I'm back finally. I know it's been like a month, but I've had the flu, and it was no joke. No laughs whatsoever. If you're new to my channel, what up, what it do, how you been, how you living, you need to go down right now and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. As you can tell from the title, today we are gonna be making our Auntie Jackie's clothes. I absolutely love me some Jackie Aina, y'all. Like, she's so inspiring. She does bomb makeup tutorials, fashion videos. So yes, it was dope to see like a fellow Wakandan like myself out here doing the damn thing. But no, but seriously, like, she's bomb. If you don't know who she is, you need to check out her channel. I'll have it in the description box below. So Jackie posted an outfit of the day picture when she went to go see Black Panther, and it was this really cute like Coogee sweater set. It was bomb, and I was like, yo, I need that. So of course I like well, first I double tap because you need to like people's pictures, don't just be like lurking. And I tapped the picture to see where it was from, and I immediately went to that young lady's Instagram, and her Instagram is what is this? I think it's Chanel Michon. I don't know, I'd never heard of her until then, but I clicked on the link to her website to try to buy said outfit, and of course it was sold out. So apparently she gets these Coogee sweaters and she turns them into 2 pieces, and that's why she doesn't have like a ton of them, because they're very unique and like one of a kind. Y'all need to shop her site. It's pretty bomb. But then I was like, duh, Lisa, you're a designer, you make clothes. Link in description, you can make that. So that's what we're gonna do here today. We're gonna make this 2-piece outfit because I realized it's technically just that whole like Tumblr sweatshirt 2-piece DIY situation that everybody was doing like 2 years ago. It's the same thing, but I didn't want it to be exactly the same because you could just go watch any other video. So what I wanted to do was show you 3 different ways to cut the 2-piece. So we're gonna do a traditional style, we're gonna do an asymmetrical style, and we're gonna do that little U-cut style. What makes her special and unique is she uses authentic Coogee sweatshirts, but definitely when she has these back in stock, I will be buying one. You look at them, they're like $300, which isn't terrible. I know some of y'all are like, that's high as hell, but it's really not, because Coogee sweaters are like anywhere from $200 to $1,200. Yeah, when she gets some more in, I will definitely be purchasing one because I still want a Coogee one. Okay, so I just went on and on and on, but you know I always gotta have a backstory. Gotta have a backstory. Let's get straight into this video.
Okay, so I went to my local thrift store and I got 2 sweaters and a sweatshirt. It's like that Duck Dynasty camo. I thought it was cute or whatever. All you're gonna need for this DIY is a pair of scissors and some fray check or no fray, whatever you want to call it. I got mine from Walmart. So I'm starting with the red sweater, and this one we're going to do the traditional cut. So I'm just going to go 2 inches below the armpit and cut straight across. And once you're done with that, we're just going to take our fray check and we're going to put a little bit along the edge so that it does not unravel. I'm also going to add a little bit to the skirt. Now, because I wanted this sweater to be kind of long, I got it extra big, so I did end up having to take the skirt in, but you could just put a belt around it. No need to grab your sewing machine. So this one, we're gonna do the asymmetrical cut. So I'm just gonna go from the armpit and cut down at an angle. So now you have your skirt at an angle and your top at an angle. Just add your no fray, and that's pretty much it for that one as well. Now for the last one, we're gonna do a U-cut. So we're just gonna cut a curve from one armpit to the other armpit. And I'm actually cutting the top a little bit shorter so that my skirt can be a little bit longer. Now with this one, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really like the way this one turned out, mostly because I didn't like this Duck Dynasty camo with my skin tone. It just kind of like washed me out. I don't know, I don't really like it. I like the cut of it, but I didn't like the print. So I wish I would have used a different sweater for the last one. Now I'm just going to even out the skirt. Now this one I also got a little bit larger, so I did have to take the skirt in, but once I did that, I was all done.
We make the most. Oh man, 22 on 22s when I chuck the deuce. Straight brown like I'm racist when I drink the juice. Lights off, drop slow, nigga, when we bust a move. Big on my T